What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a pretty exciting shoe to review for you guys. This is the Balenciaga Track 1. Nothing much else to say here. These are retailing for $895. So after taxes around $1,000. The sizing only comes in full sizes, so like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in the US. And then there's like 39, 40, 41, 42 in the Europe sizing. If you're in half size, the website does recommend just going up one. So if that's the case, say you're like in a half, to get a 9, okay? Or it depends on like how you feel. Like if you go down, it's gonna be really snug, but some people like a big, loose, chunky shoe, you know? Especially when the shoe is this big. So for the branding of the Balenciaga, you have Balenciaga on the tongue here in white. It's just like pressed in, so you have a Balenciaga on the toe area, your small pinky toe. Seems to be like a 3M right here. And nothing on the back, nothing else for the Balenciaga branding up top. But on the insole, you have one printed in white, as well as the bottom Balenciaga. This shoe weighs it's pretty heavy. Not as heavy as the Triple S, of course, but more like 3-4 pounds, I would say. Just a random guess. Pretty cool to have this shoe as a double lace here. So as you can see, there's like a double lace system here. Yeah. The sizing is on the toe area in Europe. You don't have that model. They don't have the sizing for like the Track 2s. Only the Track 1s have this, as well as the Triple S, of course. But yeah, you have like a mesh on the inside here for breathability, and then you have this like, it's like a leather material kinda, or like some really soft material out here that just wraps around the whole outer of the shoe. Really high tech look to it. And inside here you have the size tag and the advertisement and stuff. It's a little thing here, just makes this shoe look more techy. And then as you can see here, there's like rubber that sticks out on the toe area to give it that bulk, chunky look. Back says Track here in 3M. And then right behind it says another Track in 3M, but it's covered by the heel area right here, which cannot be moved. And then it comes with black laces and another black laces. Balenciaga gray dust bag, pretty cool. Yeah, just says Balenciaga on it, but it looks like nothing on the back either. Comes with a little bag of natural clay to keep the material nice and good. Balenciaga postcard, nothing too important here. The box is just like a grid, just says Balenciaga here. Size on this here, you can see $895 retail. Expensive shoe, expensive designer items, but you've seen these on celebrities and stuff like that too. But really dope shoes overall. Yeah, let me see if I could like try this on for you guys. Give me a sec. Some on feet look. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Try the other pair. What do you guys think? Look at how big this thing looks here. Front view. The back. I don't know. These shoes are really big and expensive, but I think they're starting to grow on me. I might keep one for myself, you know, and just wear it for like special occasions. But yeah, there you guys have it, man. Balenciaga Black Track 1 sneaker.